this is gonna be fun. We're gonna talk about Web3 Sales Gym, what we have done, what we're going to do next year is gonna be another video. But I did a similar video last year and it got like, I get a very good response from you guys. So today we're gonna talk only about this. So I'm just gonna go here, sit back, relax, and we're gonna go through these things together. The stats for 2023 were this. In the end of the last year, 159 subs, 68 videos, 114 members in Telegram community. Right now, when I'm recording this, 1st of December, we're looking at 556 subs, 3.5x growth. We have 102 additional videos, so together it's 170, 2 videos per week, and we have 307 members in the Telegram community. So we are like 3 times more in Telegram, 3 times more in YouTube, which is a significant growth. Next one. This is the total views last year, and this is the total views since the lifetime. I just wanted to show you that December is somewhere here, end of December, beginning of January. So all those spikes are here, and the real spikes have happened this year. Now, I think that when I'm going to be recording this video in the end of 2025, well, hopefully that what we see here in the right side of the screen is going to be like this on the left, or maybe it's just going to look like it's a straight line and the channel goes and grows to the like a rocket. That's gonna be really good. Next one, what do we have here? We have who is my viewer? So yeah, let me just get down my camera here. Okay, this is last year. It's only young guys, more like me, from India, Nigeria, US, Georgia, France, from top countries. Now the viewership has changed. We have 10% of female viewers. Majority of them are still 18 to 34, but we have a cohort of people from 34 to 44 years old. And the top geographies now are Canada, US, India, Ireland, Russia, and UK, which is very cool. We have, I think that partially all of these things are because I have improved in terms of shorts. That's really the main thing. Shorts have started bringing a lot of viewership, and if you look at this graph right now, like the spikes that I had this month, a lot of them were produced by shorts. A lot of people learn about my channel through shorts, and not a lot of really subscribe. Still, majority of people subscribe through videos. It's like, let's say if one person subscribes from shorts, then at least 2 will subscribe from the general video. But still, it's good results. I'm very happy about it, and you as my viewer, subscriber, and basically a small shareholder of this channel, I really want to tell you that I'm thankful and I'm grateful for your support, for your showing up, for your activity, for each one of your likes and comments. I read through it, and all small creators in terms of YouTube and content will be telling you this, but when I tell you, I really mean you. It's great pleasure to be serving this video for you guys online. Right now it's a weird time in Web3. Everything seems to be good. At the same time, everything seems to be bad. No one knows what's gonna happen, which is fun and exciting. And I hope that my channel is helping you to get more predictability in your life, because I put a bet on your own skill and ability to generate money like ATM, instead of hoping that the markets are gonna play out or whatever. Web3 is a cool industry, and you can do more stuff here, like considerably more stuff and earlier than in Web2. That's why I like this industry, and I hope that all of you are enjoying the benefits, that all of you are taking more responsibility, doing more stuff than people in your age would never do or would do in 10 years in the normal industry. And because now we have a head start. And if you're watching this channel right now, if you are a true and real supporter, then I can tell you that you're ahead of your current generation, and just use this time wisely. And that's basically it. And this channel is going to be here for you to go learn new things, and it's a great pleasure for me to record these videos for you. Stay tuned for 2025, and you're not subscribed and you're watching right now, go subscribe right now, because I'm gonna find you. Yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, have a good one.